Seed, Sprout, Pumpkin Pie by Jill Esbaum. Have you picked your pumpkin? A pumpkin seed is tucked into sun-warmed earth. Spring rains soften its tough coat. A root reaches for nutrients. A sprout reaches for light. Soon, jagged leaves rise from twisty vines wandering in all directions. Bees visit golden blossoms, spreading pollen from flower to flower. Here and there, tiny green knobs replace wilted flowers. The knobs change color and slowly swell, growing heavier by the day. Cooler nights arrive. Vines shrivel. Left behind are pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. Pumpkins are a type of squash. They can be green, red, tan, yellow, white, or even blue. The pumpkins we know best are bright orange. There are tall pumpkins, short pumpkins, smooth or bumpy pumpkins. Wee ones only inches wide or giants you can sit inside. Thump, thump, thump. A pumpkin sounds hollow, but inside is stringy, wet pulp and oodles of slippery white seeds. Seeds might be saved to grow next year's pumpkins or dried for a crunchy snack. Pumpkin pulp smells sharp and tangy, but can be made into delicious breads, desserts, and soups. Sugar pumpkins go into the spicy pies we bring to our Thanksgiving tables. The end. Unless, was there something else pumpkins might be used for? Oh, yes, jack-o'-lanterns. Will you give yours a funny face or a creepy one to send shivers up your back? Will it be the head of a straw-filled scarecrow? Will your jack-o'-lantern decorate your kitchen table among striped gourds and sunset-colored leaves? Or will it set your porch aglow on a spooky Halloween night, lighting the way for a curious cat? Unused pumpkins are fed to farm animals or left in the field to nourish the precious soil. Awaiting spring under a wintry blanket.